Very good. Go. Hello everyone. So we are all friends from different parts of India. Gaurav is from Delhi, Sabya is from Hyderabad, me, Kumar and Shushma, we are from Hyderabad. So we all travel together 3000 kilometers to reach Meghalaya, and such a beautiful place. Can't even imagine. You click a picture anywhere, it's like amazing, and the people are extremely friendly and nice, and wherever we meet, people are always willing to help, go out of the way. Like now, honest, he take us to all the unexplored locations of Meghalaya, and he give us few places for camping tonight also. So we are very happy with this journey to Meghalaya. Oh, scenery of Nong is amazing. Really nice, really good. So we are at the viewpoint now. You can see with the waterfall.
So yes, Nongstown has been a great city, beautiful places. Wherever you go, very beautiful cherry blossom happening all across.
Oh yes, the cherry blossom.
It was the highlight of our Nongstown trip. It has been pretty amazing.